Henry, this is fantastic, this machine here we're looking at. MTD CNC Global have a channel of engineers that love looking at machines from around the world. This particular model, a 5-axis machine in a very small footprint, isn't it? What's so good about it?
Basically, our concept for this design, our design concept for this machine is for the small and compact working items need to be done with this. It can be done with these machines, and basically for the soft material like copper and aluminum and normal steel is able to do with this machine.
Yeah, so that B-axis head there, which is the B-axis, does that tip to like 110 degrees or something like that? Is that the working envelope?
It's 110 degrees for this spindle.
Okay. And how fast is the spindle on this machine? What sort of speeds can you machine at?
For the Siemens controllers, we have the 10 meter per minute.
10 meter per minute, that's on the drive. But the actual spindle speed on this machine?
A spindle machine is 30,000.
Okay, so it's a high-speed 5-axis machine. Can you do full 5-axis simultaneous here?
Yes, we can do 5-axis or 4+1 axis movement. Depends on the different controllers.
Okay, so here we've got the Siemens control. What other controls can it come with?
It can be used with Fennec, Siemens, and Syntec.
I mean, it's tiny, isn't it? And I can see why this would be attractive. You've also mentioned to me it's much less in cost than a lot of other 5-axis machines, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
And where are they built? Where are they made?
Our machine is made in Taiwan.
They're made in Taiwan, so they're made here. But whereabouts have you got a factory in Taichung or somewhere in that area?
Our factory is located in Taichung.
And how many machines would you be selling? Let's say a month of all of your range, because this isn't the only machine that you do supply.
We sell the CNC machine averagely 15 sets per month, averagely.
When did you design and develop this model?
This year, we started, just last year, we started to have this concept to design this machine.
So essentially a brand new machine. If you're looking for 5-axis and you need a small footprint and an affordable price, then this could be an option for you. Very, very interesting. Thank you very much, Henry, for your time.
Thank you.